How can I make self-tapping sheet metal screws go into metal studs more easily? I am framing metal stud walls to hang drywall in my basement. When using self-tapping sheet metal screws to secure the metal studs to the top and bottom stud tracks, it seems like the screws often try to veer off center when I am getting them started. Connecting the plate to the stud on the side that faces the interior of the room are straightforward since I have no obstructions and can keep the screw at a 90-degree angle as I drill through the stud track into the stud. However, to connect the stud to the plate on the side facing the foundation, I have to drive the screws at a slight angle as I am driving screw from the inside of the stud out toward the foundation wall secured to the stud track, and I have found I can spend as much as 5 minutes trying to get a single screw in. Is there anything I can do to make the screws go in easier for scenario 2 above? I have tried using a hammer and center punch to create a dimple to keep the screw from moving around while I am trying to get it started. However, often there is too much flex in the metal stud to create the type of pinpoint dimple that would help keep the screw on center. Additional details. I am currently using a good quality battery-powered impact driver with a magnetic bit holder and a 8 Phillips bit to drive in self-tapping sheet metal screws. The screws are 8 Phillips panhead self-tapping screws with a 1/2 inch screw depth. The bit holder is a basic Makita magnetic bit holder for impact drivers. Question from user Statueuphemism at Stack Exchange. Answer: you're using the wrong type of screws. It should be a 7 panhead and not the self-tapping. The self-tapping is good for thicker metal studs, but the sharp tip works best for those angle shots you're having trouble with. Use 8 self-tapping for the tougher, thicker steel studs. Answer from user Chris at Stack Exchange.